supplier invoice on KashFlow, or how to add a new supplier invoice on this accounting software. Either you can go through your quick links, so on top header there is drop down box and you can go through here, create purchase invoice, or on your left hand side there is sidebar and you can go through purchase invoices. So when you go through purchase invoices, on top there is a button create purchase invoice. Click create purchase invoice, select your supplier. So if you have completely new supplier, you can add it by clicking on plus button and add name, email address and phone and create. Yeah, so for example, I have electricity bill and create. Date is 8, so supplier invoice date is 8. Add line item, purchase code, electricity, I'll say 1. So I have electricity bill for March 22 and rate is okay. If I want to add comment, for example, how many kilowatts I have used up, so I can add that information here. And once you are happy with details that they are matching exactly as supplier invoice, click save at the top right corner. Okay, so this is the bill what is recorded on system. When we scroll down, we can add a payment. So if it's a direct debit payment, we can already mark is that one as a paid. So add payment, and for example, payment was collected on Monday for 46.58, and I will say other and save. So now it's recorded payment for this particular invoice. And also we can attach a file. So when you click on files, add file, and I'm just taking random file, and this has saved the support file. So when you click on this attached file, it will match exactly with what we have added on system. So this is a simple way how you can add supplier invoices on KashFlow.